Hello guys, welcome to my session, and today we are going to discuss about the hidden form fields. So it is the last mechanism in the session tracking, and in the previous videos I have covered about the what is session tracking and why we need session tracking, and HTTP session tracking, cookie session tracking, and URL rewriting session tracking, all those things. And if you want, if you haven't seen these, if you are not aware of those, there is a link in the description to the channel, so you can go get the playlist and watch all those videos. And for the one who has idea about it, you can continue with the hidden form fields, and for the one who has not idea about all those mechanisms, you can also get back, get and listen to this. It's very simple concept of which is very simple concept. And hidden form fields, it is completely on our side. The It is based on the user developer side who wants to develop a form. So I will just demonstrate with the help of this. Yeah, and just so here the hidden form fields, and same we are having a form. In the previous sessions, I have also discussed the same things. So you're having a form, and we're having three forms, like we say that, same like the previous ones. Form 1, form 2, form 3, and we are sending the request to the server. So um, this is the server. Yeah, yes, and this is the another server for the second one. Okay, and here, okay, great, that's great. Now in the first one I'm having the three fields like name, and I mean two fields like email, and then I'll click on the submit button, right? That's what we have discussed in the previous form, same example. So we just don't need to understand all these things. Just need to understand one thing: how the mechanism is going, how the mechanism is, and what we are doing, and how it is helpful for us. And that's we need to understand it. No matter what the example you take, it must apply that mechanism, and we get that mechanism. That's all about it. So here we are having name, email, and submit. So when I get give the request to the client, I mean request to the server. So this is my first server. Okay, first server. And then so allow also in the third one, in the second form, I need a phone number and my college, right? These are the details I need to fill. But what is happening here is, along with the college number and college, I mean phone number and college, these two fields will be in the form, will be here along with these details in the hidden format. Okay, in the hidden, that means no one can see these details. So in the manner that we will carry all the details until we print those details, or based on our requirements. So we'll carry all these details from here. I mean from this second servlet, if you get this, from the second servlet, we are redirected to the form 3, and where we need to fill the details there. As well as here also there will be a name, email, email, phone number, and as well as the college. All the details will be in the hidden format. Only one detail will be visible for us. That means four hidden details. Four hidden details or hidden form fields. Makes sense, right? And here there are two hidden form fields. Two hidden form fields, right? Okay, got my point. At the end of the time, we will print everything. Here we get marks, which will be only visible for us. some marks I have given, and at the end we get all the details. We need to print all that. That's our requirement. Based on your requirement you can move on, and at the end of the day I just want to print all the details, some of the details I want. In my request I need all the details. That's why I'll print every details in the form of a table. All the name, email, phone number, college and marks will get printed. So to better understand, we will go for the program example. We will get a better understanding about it. So I'll take the previous thing. I just don't want to make things again. So in the first servlet, what I will do is, after so here, along with the phone number and college, I'm also want to have the fields of name and email in the hidden format, right? So here you can add these details like this. Yeah. So here it is not phone number, it's name and whose type is hidden. That's all. Simple. So easy and so simple. Nothing to be changed. Nothing will be get changed. Only the fields we need to same as the previous one, and then we need to change the type to hidden, and we need to mention all the form fields for every page, and making the previous making the previous details will be in the hidden format, and the new one in the text format. Hidden type is the text. Now it is hidden, and name is email, and whose value also we know, so we don't need to bother about value. And better remove these. And hidden, yeah. Its type is hidden. Yes, great. Everything will look cool and easy to understand. Nothing rocket science is happening here. So here it is email, and whose value, the name. So value, we are having a value also for that, and what is that value is email. Okay, great. Here also plus name. Okay, got a better understanding, hope. So phone number and college are the details, it will get visible, and these name and email will be not be visible. Yes. Okay, and now it will get redirected to the demo 2. So here the demo 2 is, and from the demo 2 we also get the details not only for the phone number and college, but also for the name and email, right? So you need to get these details too. We're taking everything, all the details. For the known details we're making them as hidden, and the unknown details we are making them as type text, and we are printing them. That's all. That's very simple. That's what we are using here. There is nothing to worry about it. And okay. Yes, and we should make these phone number to hidden. Right. Name is ph, and value is equals to for ph and clg. Ph ph and this, and also just understand the mechanism and go through the concept. Just begin with a small example, and you'll get all the things get done, and there is no rocket science, I believe. Right. College, you also change all these things too. Name is college, and type is hidden. Okay, great. And we need to also specify the value, right? Value is, oh, okay. CLG, okay, great. Everything is fine now. Now we need to print this. In the third servlet, we'll get all the details of name, email, phone, college, and as well as the marks. Okay, marks which is of the type text. Yeah. This in the third servlet, we'll print all the details by getting them. So just don't need these HTTP servlet, and what things we need to remove here. Also the HTTP session, because every time we are passing all the values, right? Just don't need this HTTP session. Then what makes the difference between that? So this is completely you developer will make all these things. It is not any concept based. So these things, what we need to print here is, we need to get here is, sorry, we need to get here is these details. Yeah, everything is so simple and so easy. Now we can make it as ph, and this as clg. Yeah, fine, completely fine. Now you can run this, no problem. Since the server is already in the running, I'll just restart the server. That will be a quite simple one. Okay, so here Tom, and Tom at the red example.com. Next. Oh, my bad, sorry. I just don't need to specify this. It's just like, sorry. And as well as in the second servlet though, we just don't specify this because we're making them hidden, and we just don't need all these things. Even you want to print, you can print based on the user, you know based on the user purpose or abstraction purpose. We just hide all these things. So everything looks completely fine, and I can refresh the page there. Just refresh the page from the first starting, and yeah, next, phone number, next, marks, yeah, next. So see here, got the details, right? So that's what hidden form fields, and this is completely from the developer side who wants to make it in the hidden type. And hope you guys got the complete information about the hidden form fields, and do like the video and share to our friends who feels burden about advanced Java and don't want to learn the concepts. This makes them feel very excited to learn the concepts, and do subscribe to my channel and share your videos to your friends. Thank you so much.